2 ropes on him. Let's get him out.
Okay.
Yeah, can we move this?
I don't know. I'm not.
Hold on, this is gonna come down and hit him.
Don't give up. Hey, send somebody to get another rope.
We got another rope down
Okay, get another rope
We're
down here.
stranding another rope.
Where's Carabiner? Oh, I think this is me. This is me. That's Dude, keep his head up. He's gone. Hey, watch it. Hey, he's going down the river. Go down there. Get a noodle down there.
They're going.
Get a noodle up there. Get a noodle down there with a crew.
No, you're fine. Just go stand up there.
Down there.
I got my leash. This is all we have.
Is anything gonna cross or no?
What's that?
Is anything gonna go across the river?
No. That's what I would hope the fire department would send someone to do.
Get life vest on me right down here.
Up, there it goes.
Hello? Get up that way, boy.
You ready for one to pull? Which one you want pulling?
I want the pole here. Where's this going up one side? Okay, pull it up. Oh! Which line? This one.
That one. It was also attached to the patient.
Stop. Loosen this one. Loosen that one. Okay?
If you pull slack, I'll grab the
Who's
slack.
got the boat? Hold it tight.
We got it.
Okay, Sean. Okay, it's up to you next. Sean, he's trying to stay back a little bit. I'm connected to everything. I know. I need slack in this line.
You need slack which line? This one? Orange one or red one, Kefty?
Okay, we're gonna lift up. Sean, can you get a pipe for us? Up on 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep coming. Roll over. Okay, come on, get it.
Wait for Foley.
Good! All right, hold on. Stop.
Slow.
You gotta pull off right there. Stop, let me off.
Yep.
Okay.
You want to hook the orange one from him?
Not to go look for a dog, right?
Coming up.
There's a dog in the back.
We're
not worried about a dog.
Yeah, pull. Right here, hold on.
Battalion 99.
Right here on the grass.
You want flat or?
Right here's good.
Watch his head on there. All right, let's cover him up, please. You good, bro?
That's actually so that turned on bird. Right? And they
All right, ready? Coming this way. We're going one more time.
Which way are we going?
This way.
This way.
Work me. Ready? This way. If we
Feet,
have to roll
just
for
feet.
vomit or something, we can do that. Okay. All right.